Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to lesson 2 of our English speaking course. Last time we learned greeting and introduction. Today we'll learn how to talk about our family and friends. But before we start, I have one question for you all. Do you have a big family or a small family? Tell me in the comments. Lesson 2, talking about family and friends. पहले कुछ की vocabulary चेक करेंगे, like English word, meaning and examples. Father, mother, brother, sister, friend, family. Father, like dad, my father is a teacher. Mother, mom, my mother cooks very well. Brother, male sibling, I have one brother. Sister, female sibling, I have two sisters. Friends, someone you like and spend time with. My best friend is XYZ. Family, group of people related to you. I love my family. Now next, simple question and answer. Talking about your family. You. Do you have a big family? Student reply. Yes, I do. I have two brothers and one sister. And the other question is, do you have any brother or sister? Student. No, I don't. I'm an only child. Okay. Now next, talking about parents' job. Do. He is a doctor. What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. Now use adjectives to describe your family and friend. Like, my mother is very sweet. My brother is tall. She is very kind. Move ahead. Like that. Talking about friends. Let's start. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? XYZ is my best friend. You can write your friend's name here in the place of XYZ. Why do you like your friends? Because they are very sweet and kind. They are very sweet and kind. Last but not least, these are some practice sentences. Write your answer in the comment box. I'll read them. For more practice, write 5 sentences about your friend or family. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. We'll meet you in another video on another topic. Take care.